Hi, in this video, we will quickly overview rectangle pool with removable bracket. Kids and adults of all ages can enjoy swimming and splashing in this above-ground pool. The swimming pool is made of PVC without BPA, which is 50% thicker than most products on the market, thus reducing the risk of puncture and ensuring a long service life. I-frame metal provides strong support with a rust-resistant design for lasting use. Get ready to watch your kids' eyes light up when they see this rectangular frame above-ground pool set up in your backyard. Product benefits. This swimming pool is easy to assemble and easy to store. The pool frame is made of corrosion-resistant electroplated metal brackets. The lightweight and durable PVC material can provide structural integrity for the pool. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.